Featuring a unique combination of high-speed pulsar heads and a flexible tornado head, the ii-A3 offers an industry-leading 264 8mm feeder capacity and can handle almost all SMT devices on today's market. On-the-fly cameras capture an image of all the devices in a single shot. Europlacer's trademarked pulsar heads have been designed using state-of-the-art materials, resulting in an extremely lightweight while rigid unit. Each pulsar head can run at a speed of up to 25,000 components per hour. A unique patented conveyor system eliminates mechanical stops by utilizing sensors along the length of the PCB, resulting in the board being positioned precisely in the right place for optimal efficiency and highest placement speed, maximizing the machine's huge potential. The two pulsar heads are complemented by a third tornado placement head, giving a maximum theoretical speed of 65,000 CPH. The ii-A3 uses Europlacer's well-proven and patented system of 3DPS, a closed-loop feedback system resulting in optimal placement for each device and automatic correction of PCB warpage. The Europlacer Atom platform, the world's most flexible high-speed systems.